Okay guys, so I just got home and I'm going to walk you through what I got really quick, but before we go ahead and do that, let me just talk to you about the state of the store that I was in. So I walked in and honestly there was only like 5 people there. There was a couple workers there, and I didn't really see anyone wearing masks besides the workers, so that was, whatever it was. But yeah, I mean, the aisles were pretty clear. There wasn't a lot of traffic. When you first walk in at Walgreens, they have a sign that says like stand 6 feet apart, and they also have like little things on the floor showing the customers where to stand when they check out, also when they walk in. They had it outside too, which makes me think people are still lining up for toilet paper and stuff, which hopefully that's over soon. But let's just go through and go and talk about what I got really quick. So I got some cotton rounds. This is just to take off my makeup. I also got some sponges because we're currently out. I got some spaghetti because I'm going to be making some different pasta recipes later in the week, including like homemade sauce that I'll post for you guys. So I got that. I also got Nutella because I'm going to be doing a crepe recipe, which I'll put up on this channel for you guys so you can see it. And this is also just really good with like toast and stuff. How cute is that picture? So cute. And then I also got 2 things of tape because I'm going to be wrapping presents pretty soon, and I just needed to make sure it was in the house, so I got it while I was out. These are the best. So I got a Snuggle Super Fresh. It's kind of like a thing that you spray in the air. So you can spray it in the air, and then it also refreshes fabric. This is so good for like couches, and it's really good for spraying rugs. So what I'll do is I'll spray the rug, and then I'll go ahead and like vacuum it, and it comes out so nice and clean, and just gives a really good smell. Then I also got this one. It's just for Breeze, just basically 2 brands. I also got these dates. So with these dates, I actually make a really good smoothie. It's a mock smoothie of the chia banana? Yeah, chia banana smoothie at Tropical Cafe, which is so bomb. So I'll make that and put it up for you guys. And then I just got some snacks, some Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand. These are both the Walgreens brand actually. Veggie chips, and yeah, that is my little haul. You guys also saw me put milk in my car. I did get the milk, but it's actually just in the fridge. So yeah, this is my little haul. Thank you for coming shopping with me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's always really interesting to see the inside of the store at these times, but hopefully that gave you guys a quick look at what's going on the outside of your home and you haven't been going out. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.